very good afternoon. This is Nazrul Islam in front of you. Now I am from Shampurdi, Jejiga, which is located southern point in Shampurdi. And over there, Myanmar, Nam River, and the Nam River divided Bangladesh and Myanmar border. So this is the transit Jejiga, which is used for the bring cows from Myanmar, but right now is totally off because Bangladesh government totally off this input exercise there. That's why it's totally picking. You can see there. I came here for the visiting purpose. Whenever I feel very nervous, that time I come here and I spend time with the nature, and this nature make me pleasure. That's why I come here. And undoubtedly, this is the best place for this spend time with the couple. And this is my favorite place in my village. So most of the tourists come here for the visiting purpose. I feel very well here, so keep with us, and if you get the time, spend time because nature always make us pleasure. So it's today I'm very delighted.